The products that I have to clean are Tide. I have the liquid one. I'm probably going to be using some of the Tide and a little bit of the OxiClean, since the OxiClean, I've been using it for so many of my cleaning here at home and it's worked so well. I also have Borax. I have Laundry Booster Arm & Hammer. I have this Calgon. It's a water softener. I have my measuring cup here. I have a bowl where I'm going to be mixing everything here. I have my bathtub here, and the pile of clothes that I'm going to be putting first are dark clothing first. I'm going to start by putting very hot water. Hi friends, my name is Delia Mireya. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, hello, welcome to this channel. In this channel, I share with you guys cleaning videos, beauty, and lifestyle. For this video, we're going to be doing laundry stripping. For those of you that are new and never heard of this, let me tell you what it is. But first of all, let me tell you what you will need. You're going to need 1/4 cup Borax, 1/4 cup Arm & Hammer, 1/4 cup Calgon, 1/4 cup OxiClean, 1/2 cup of Tide, and very hot water. OxiClean is optional. You don't have to use it, but I used it because I've been using it a lot for cleaning and for washing my clothes. Let me tell you what laundry stripping is. It's a way of cleaning your clothes that will pull out fabric softener, because sometimes we use too many, at least I do. It's going to get rid of sweat, armpit stains, hard water buildup if you live in an area where there's lots of hard water and you don't have a water softener at home. It's going to get rid of dirt, body oils, and skin cells. Too much of the good stuff can sometimes be bad. Too much laundry detergent, too much fabric softener. Using too much can cause your whites to turn dark or yellow and dingy. Has that ever happened to you where you wash a white shirt and you even put bleach and you're like, why does it still look yellow? Well, this is the problem. It's starting to build up all the detergent and fabric softener. Now that I told you what laundry stripping is, what you need, and what it does, you're going to put in your tub very hot water along with all the products that I mentioned in the beginning. You're going to put all your dark clothing first. You're going to sort your laundry. It could either be all of your whites first, all of your towels, or all of your dark clothing. It doesn't matter. You're going to leave it in there for about first an hour. Then you're going to go and mix it. Then you're going to wait about another hour, mix it again. It can be a total of 4 to 6 hours. Hey friends, so this is 6 hours after putting my clothes in here, leaving it to strip, to remove all of that dirt. It looks so bad. I'm wondering if my white clothes will do this or my towels. So I'm gonna get this out, bring the rest of my clothes here, and we'll see how that goes. I'm going to be putting this in my washer, giving it to a wash, and then I'm going to dry it. Okay, the water's no longer hot, so I don't need my gloves. Can you believe it? I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is what's left over from the first laundry stripping. I see a couple of hairs, a couple of dirt, or I don't even know what that is. Let me see if I can grab a little bit with my hand. I don't know, but it's like, can you guys see this? This is what's left over. What is this? Okay, so I'm gonna do another batch. I'm gonna be adding towels this time. I'm gonna turn up the hot water. Then I'm gonna add the mixture and then put the towels in there and mix it every hour. Let me tell you that laundry stripping works best with towels and bed sheets. You're gonna feel the difference. My husband noticed. He's like, "What did you put in the clothes this time? It feels so soft and the towels feel fluffier." Your family is definitely going to notice the difference. Now, I would like to share with you guys what good laundry habits you will need to follow. That way you don't have to be doing the laundry stripping as often. You can probably just do this once a year, maybe twice a year. So let me tell you what you need to do. This is just advice if you'd like to follow, that way your clothes is cleaner. You're going to use a cleaning detergent with GH Seal Star, for example, Tide. That's the one I've used and I've been using it for some years now. You're not going to overload your washing machine. Now this is my problem. My washing machine is very small and I would overload it, and not only is it making like a whole bunch of noise and it doesn't wash my clothes right, that's something that you must not do, overload it, because it's going to start building up all that soap. It's not going to wash right. Now this next one, you're not going to use too much detergent or fabric softener. This is my problem. I sometimes don't measure it, and you have to measure. That's why there's instructions in the back of all your soaps or your Tide. It tells you the measurements depending on how much clothes you're washing. And fabric softener, this is one of my problems as well. That's why I have a lot of fabric softener buildup on my clothes, because I like my clothes to smell good. So yeah, don't use as much. Use your measurements, your measuring cups. You're gonna sort your clothes when you're washing. You don't wanna use darks with whites, right? You don't want to mix that. So make sure you don't do that. Wash all the darks with the dark clothing, all your towels with the towels. Also underwears, wash those together, bras. Now once you start noticing residue or any buildup on your clothing, you're going to use borax, washing soda, or all the products that I mentioned here in the beginning. Hi friends, today is the next day and what I see is some of my towels, I think they did bleed a bit, but it also could have been that one of them is stained. When I had red hair, I used to use it all the time. Before, it used to stain my white towels, like my red hair dye. So I started to use the red towels. So that could have been a little bit of it, but I know that some of it is the color red because of the red towel that's stained. So that's what the water looks like. I will now be doing the laundry stripping with my white clothes. Now, let me give a shout out to my tia Margarita. Growing up, I remember that my aunt would have like the whitest clothes ever. And she does the laundry stripping. I don't know what they call it in Mexico, but they leave their clothes to soak in water. And I think she would add some bleach and soap. My cousins would have like the whitest whites in town. you would see them coming from far and you would notice that their whites looked very bright. Now, not only did my aunt do this, I remember my mom would do this growing up, also my grandmother. So I don't know if everyone in Mexico does the laundry stripping. This really does work, and I just wanted to let you guys know that this is probably not new. It might be new to those of you that are watching this video for the first time, but this is something that's been used for years now. So we are 1 hour in. I might have to add some bleach if I don't see like a big difference. Let's see, the sock is still pretty much the same. Gonna give everything a mix. And I'll leave that out that way. So I'm gonna add a little bit of bleach because this is what my mom and my aunt does. Because I don't see a lot of a difference. I did give it a mix and I did see a little bit, but not something too different. It's gonna be about 1/4 cup. Hi friends, it's been a couple of hours, so I'm gonna give everything a quick check. It's actually been more than 6 hours this time, but I wanted my whites to be very white. I do see that this looks white. It was looking a bit yellowish. Now I need to find that sock that I had. I think it looks better than what it was before. So I'm gonna put this in the washer and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's washed. I think the water does look like it could have dirt, oil, sweat, or whatever it is that came out of that white clothes. I honestly didn't think it was going to look this bad since it was white clothes. I'm able to see like sand here. I'm going to be putting all of my whites in my washer. I'm just going to be setting it on possibly normal here. I'm not going to turn it on yet because I wanted to tell you guys that the other clothes that I washed, I didn't add any more soap because that was enough soap already in my clothes. Now this time I will be adding a little bit of fabric softener just because I like my clothes to smell good, and the other clothes, it just needed that scent, which not a lot of people like fabric softener, but I like the way my clothes smells, so I am going to be adding just a bit of fabric softener. I'm going to put the stuff in, turn it on, and then add a little bit of fabric softener. This is like doing the laundry stripping inside your washer. That way you don't have to be moving things around. You just pause it. I'm not sure if all the washers can do this, but what I do is I just, let me show you. I just push this down and it pauses it, because if I push it up, it keeps washing. These are the end results. I assure you that the towels will be fluffier. Now my sock, it didn't get as clean. Now for it to get very clean, I think that I would have to do hand washing because my washer is not that good. But the whites do look a bit whiter. I can tell the difference when I'm looking at them. So I hope that you guys give it a try. I hope this motivates you guys to trying this laundry stripping. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.